Shelley driving down a lonely country road. How you going, Shell?
Really good.
Fuck, what's that in front? It's a road train. You gonna do it?
Not on a crest.
You scaredy cat.
Not on a crest of a hill.
You scaredy cat.
I'm not a scaredy cat. But he hasn't put his blinker on yet.
Yeah, bring it around anytime you like, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, mate. Smile as we go by. Oh, that's fucking brilliant.
Don't worry, no.
You have a great day, man.